YouTube. Welcome back. I haven't made a video in forever, so today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. So as you can see this now, but yeah, there's no point in doing the face reveal because you've already seen my face in that go-kart drifting video, so you got you guys a little bit too excited. So anyway, today we're going to be doing something different, and we're going to be doing a review on something that I've had for a few months. We're going to be reviewing this. This is a Baja Minibike, and it's like pretty old. It's like 12 years old or something, I think, and yeah, it's pretty big compared to me. Yeah, it's pretty cool to ride. So, let's start with some of the top speed, you ask? Well, let me tell you, about 25 miles per hour. Wanna know why? Because it has this thing, which is a gear reduction. So it goes from the engine to here, which then goes it to another sprocket, which then goes to the wheel. Gives it more torque, but it gives it a little bit less speed. What kind of engine does it have? I'll show you. It has a Honda GX 180 5.5 horsepower. And I don't think that's accurate because the carburetor jet was a 5.5 horsepower carburetor jet, but it was too big, and it made it really stinky and really smoky and bleh. Does it have suspension? Yes, it does. It may not look like it, but it actually has suspension right here. And so the wheel is here, and then this is the whatever you call it. But then the shock is actually right here, right by the handlebars. So it feels really weird. It's like rubbery. Ugh. How do you get to the gas tank to put the gas in? Well, this is not a real gas tank. It is a fake one. The real gas tank is right here. But how are you going to put it through there? I'll tell you. So, you gotta unscrew these bolts. Well, you gotta open this first, so then you can put your wrench in, put your hand over this, and put your other hand, unscrew this bolt, and then put the lid back on, unscrew this bolt, lift it up carefully, because there's actually like spikes coming down that hold it on. Then, unscrew the lid once again, put the gas tank in, close the lid. No, wait, don't close the lid. Put this back on, screw this bolt, put your hand over it, screw that bolt, and you put the gas in. Can you start it up? Yes, I can. What you gotta do, it's been sitting for quite a while and it's cold, so turn the on switch, turn the choke on, pull it, and there you go. So there you have it, guys. This is my mini bike. It's really fun to ride. As I said before, it goes 25 miles per hour, but that doesn't mean it's not fun to ride. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and please leave a like and comment down below and so I can know what else you want me to do. This wasn't a comment idea, I just decided I'd show this to you. So, roll cinematic.